Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. So as you saw by the thumbnail and title, I am going to be bringing you guys more Btartbox products, and today's video is going to go by rather quick because as you guys know, these nails are pretty simple, really easy to apply, and they're just that quick. So today's video is not going to be that long. I am just going to start by unboxing some of these products. As you guys know, they do come with the protecting duo, which includes the gel glue, the step 1 builder gel, and the step 1 top coat. That's how you will apply the nails and also protect the design and the French tips and everything. And the top coat, of course, it also comes with this card that shows you how to apply them. I really love this card because it comes with very detailed steps and also pictures to follow along with. So just in case I'm not explaining things correctly or you may be confused by my directions for some reason, you can follow along with the instructions that they provide for you. So now getting into the nails, I did receive 3 X-Coat tip nail sets. I didn't know which nails I was getting. This time I wasn't able to pick them out. But when I opened them, I actually really liked the selection. I feel like these nails will work anywhere from October, like Halloween. Even though Halloween is over, I felt like the orange nails in here would definitely be great for that if you have saw them then. But they also work for fall and Christmas as well, because all of these different nails, they have like oranges, browns, different shades of red. There was like a bright red and also like a burgundy red, which I didn't even know that all of them had all of those colors until I got to like the last one. So for this first set here, I'm showing you these short square, so stunning. I'm only showing you the orange and brown because I thought that was just like the only colors in there. But as I got to like the last set of nails, I did start to realize that like the shades were kind of different. So then like I started to realize, but those first ones were really cute. Again, those were the short square. The second selection I'm showing you guys are a longer square. I don't know if this is the longest square they have in this set, like these colors, but I will check that out and link them down below along with these. Yeah, so this one, as you see here, I did pull out a third color because I was like, wait, there's more colors in here. So yeah, I did show them. Again, we have the orange, brown, and burgundy. Like I said, these would go really great for fall, and for some reason, like the browns and this shade of brown, like this burgundy shade here, it was definitely reminding me of like a Thanksgiving dinner. It was reminding me of like turkey. I don't know, like I just got those vibes, so I feel like those would definitely work. And also we got some red too, so Christmas, you can use them for Christmas as well. And they're just really diverse. I love like all of the shades that you get, and you can also see the diversity in the lengths and shapes as well. The last set here are of course the same ones, it's just a shorter almond, and I really love the almond nails in these Btartbox. Like I've just really fallen in love with almonds, so whenever I want just like a quick set where I can wear both hands, these are definitely my go-to. And you see here I am showing the red ones in this set because it just felt new, but all of them did have like different shades, like the browns and burgundies, a darker orange. I will have all of those nails linked down below along with my discount code for you guys to check out. And now that we got through all of the products, I am just gonna go ahead and do a quick application using these nails. I do want to show you how easy, simple, and fast it is to apply these nails. For anyone who just wants something very quick, you don't want to apply tips and try to do polygel, acrylic, builder gel, dip powder, whatever the case may be. If you just want something very simple, these will definitely be your best friend because these nails are so easy to apply. So I've already did my thumb off camera because I am focusing on more reels when applying these nails. So I am going to reserve my thumb for reels and just show you guys the rest of my 4 fingers. So the first thing I am doing is sizing these out. You want to make sure they fit sidewall to sidewall. If you can't find one that fit properly, get the bigger size and just file it down. Once you have them all sized out, you want to grab a curing light and the gel glue that Btartbox provided. Btartbox does have their own curing light, but I just love like the taller ones where I have a little bit more room and space to cure them. Sometimes, unless I like elevate the little light that's shaped like a little C, unless I elevate it, I feel like there's not enough like space for me to work with. Sometimes there is room for the nails to like move out of place or just become crooked by the time it cures. So with those lights, I do feel a little bit restricted of space, so I do like to get like the taller ones where I have a lot more space when just applying them. And these nails are also prepped underneath, so you don't have to waste time trying to prep them yourself. Btartbox got you when it comes to the nail prep part. Only thing you need to do is just prep over your nails, remove the cuticles, remove all of the dead skin from around your cuticles, and also just remove the shine from the nail plate. If you want to, you can go in with the hydrator and primer. That is totally up to you. But as long as you have like a prepped nail surface, that is, in my opinion, that is good enough. If you want them to last more than 3 weeks, you can go in with the dehydrator and primer. But when it comes to applying the nails, you just want to put a little bit of that gel glue inside of the nail tip, as you see I'm doing here. And try not to add too much, because once you lay the nail down and it like flows up to the surface, sometimes if you put too much, it will just spill underneath the nail and you will have like a lot of gel just like cured underneath your nails, and it may not look that appealing. So a little bit of gel will go a long way. If you have trouble with trying to figure out how much gel to add, always add a little bit, and then if you need more, just add more and work from there. They also have a solid gel glue I think works perfect if you are someone who always adds too much gel with like the thinner consistency type of gel. With the solid gel being a lot thicker, I feel like it is a lot easier to control, so definitely check that out as well. I have used it and I like it. The only problem is I saw a lot of comments saying like how that the solid gel cures gummy and not like hard, if you guys know what I'm talking about. That doesn't really bother me, but I can see how it would not be preferred for a lot of people. But I do like the solid gel as well. Yeah, I just went ahead and apply all of these. I do like to prop my hands up on like my finger and then start at my cuticle area, place the nail down, and then add pressure towards the tip. Not a lot of pressure at all. You just want to make sure to lay it down over the nail until all of the product has gotten into the tip, and then go ahead and flash cure it. Repeat that until you have all of the nails cured on, and then cure them for another 30 to 60 seconds in a full size lamp. And that is all it takes to apply them. Since we did have to pop these nails off of the little stand, I do have to file my free edges a little bit, remove that tip, and just get them a little bit more straighter to my liking. I did have a little bit of spillage, so I did take my nail drill and just go around my cuticles. Even if I don't have spillage, I still like to go around my cuticles. I feel like it gives it a more professional look. Like it just looks a little bit more neater, and it just gives the appearance as if it's growing out of my own nail bed. So I do love to go around my cuticles with that. And pretty much after the filing, that is it. You want to give these nails a nice wipe with some alcohol. You can wash your hands if you want with water, with a scrub brush. Just make sure there's no dust left behind. I'm not going to do any designs to these nails, but after I get them applied, I do like to go in with the step 1 builder gel first. Even if I was going to apply some designs to these nails, I feel like this is something I always mention, because like I don't want to say like this is like the right way to do it, but the way I prefer to do it, I like to go in with the step 1 builder gel first and then my designs on top. But if you are going to go in with designs after putting on the builder gel, make sure to wipe it away, because it does come with like a tacky layer, and if you keep the design uncured for too long, it will start to act as like a blooming gel and it start to bloom out a little bit. So if that's how you'll be applying the nails, definitely make sure to wipe down the builder gel before going in with the design, the nail art. And then just go in with top coat. I went in with a matte top coat from Not Polished just because I wanted to keep this one very simple. I was gonna do like some type of fall design, but I didn't. Like overall, I just really love how great these brown Frenches look, so I just kept it as is. I went with the matte, applied some cuticle oil, and we were done with that set. And I just love how simple they look. They are very minimalistic. If you are one of those people that just want something very quick, no designs, just want something very classy, this is definitely a nail set you should try out, or any type of nails from Btartbox. I really love their pre-French designs, and it makes it so easy, because I know French tips can be so hard to do if you just can't like get them all even, or you can't get the sidewall straight, you can't get them centered. I know it can be a lot, but yeah, I just really love these Btartbox nails. So if you haven't tried them out, most definitely try them out. And I just love how this brown shade gives you the most classiest fall nails. So yeah, that basically wraps up today's video. I know it was pretty simple, but I do appreciate you guys for watching. So if you made it to the end, comment the brown heart emoji and let me know what you thought about today's set. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.